Hi, my name is Doreen Moore and I work at the ProSource in Mokena, Illinois. I'd like to show you around my showroom. This vignette here is Decora. This is our highest cabinet line. It's probably the closest you're going to find to custom cabinets because it's such a modifiable cabinet for me. But you can tell from the quality of it that it's just, there's things that I could get in this cabinet line that I can't normally get in any of the other semi-custom lines. Follow me this way. These are two different cabinet lines, but they're a very good price point cabinet for the construction that they are. So we do sell these a lot. These are a lot more for like contractor flips and stuff like that. Follow me this way. We do offer, this is actually Decora. This is a bathroom designed by Decora. This is what's called an inset cabinet, which means that the drawers and doors are inset into the frame of the cabinet. You'll notice that this is inside the frame of the cabinet. Over here is shower doors, so we do offer shower doors. If you follow me this way, we have our next display. We actually have 8 different cabinet lines. This is a newer cabinet line called Mantra. These are all master brand cabinets. This is Aristocraft, so this is the beginning. These two are the beginning of my semi-custom line. Obviously, the further you go up in chain, the more modifiable the cabinet is. Over here, we have Diamond and Diamond Vibe. This diamond is probably the one that I sell the most of because it's very modifiable. Good door selection, nice colors. This is what's called Baby Diamond Vibe, and that has less doors and less colors. Diamond Vibe is a little bit less expensive than Diamond. If you come over here, we have kitchen craft cabinets, and this is our only frameless cabinet, which means that there's no face frame. So they say that you can store more groceries and everything in this cabinet line because there's no face frame around the doors. This cabinet line here is Decora. This is our highest cabinet line. It's very, very close to custom. I can do different heights. I could do size widths by 1/4 of an inch. If you actually look at the colors and the door styles that are offered in here, they're very unique. Obviously, they're the highest price point, but you know, it does really work out well for people that are looking for that really special door and color. As we walk this way, this is actually our countertop aisle. We have 7 different quartz companies, and we can get any kind of quartz that's out there on the market, but these are the ones that are the most popular for the showroom. This is our granite wall, and that goes with the same thing as we could get anything that you really want or need. Just these are the selection of the ones that we should have in the showroom. Our highest quartz here is Cambria. They're known for their sparkle. Beautiful countertop. I mean, they're just, what a statement piece. And this is my showroom. Love to see ya and come and visit me. I'd love to do a design for ya.